Dear students, in today's lecture, we will be discussing about business environment. What are the factors affecting business environment? Now, starting with the definition of business environment. See, the business environment is basically the sum of all the internal and external factors which have bearing on the business. Like means like a business environment is having combination of those internal factors like your employees, customer needs, supply, expectations of the of the employees as well as the customers. As internal factors means like the you can say this is the micro factor or the micro environment, and the external factors like which have like the government policies, uh, or some like change in innovation, technology, social trends, economic changes. So these are the external factors which all are called as the macro factors. So hope the meaning of a business environment is clear now. Means those factors which have impact on the functioning of any of the business is called the business environment. Means the environment or the business surrounded with that environment, means those factors which internally affect as well as externally affect the firm. Uh, see, if we talk about the business environment, as in continuation of this, that is micro factors, like micro factors which have the internal bearings, like the in values, objectives, missions, goal of the company, employees. These are the internal environment which have a direct bearing on the environment. Now, if we talk about majorly, when we talk about into the international business environment, we talk about that external environment, that is the macro environment, where the we see the change in the government policies and how the change in the government policies have bearing impact onto the business functioning, and how the change in the technology, change in the social trends, or the change in the customer or preference taste, market trends, and how the change in the economic conditions affect the business environment. Now, if you talk about the importance of business environment, basically it is very important to for the firm to analyze the environment of their business. So in this, when we talk about the analysis or business environment scanning, the firms go for SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, where strength and weakness comprises of the internal environment, and when we talk about opportunities and threats, that comes under the external environment. Now, importance of, we talk about the importance of business environment, then the business environment helps the firms to identify the opportunities in front of them and make them first mover. Like if we talk about Airtel entered into the 4G, speed SIMs. So that they analyze that opportunity and they enter into the market, and by providing that 4G data speed or what. Now, if we talk about the another importance is that it helps the firms to identify threat and early warning signs. Means like the firm also able to identify what are the threats in front of them. Means what are the various competitors into that firm. Like if we talk about the various forms, like if you talk about the example about the Patanjali forms, like the form. is an alarming stage for the FMCG companies. So this is what how they analyze the threat in front of them. Then also business environment help in tapping useful resources, means it help in identifying what are the available resources, what are the opportunities available to us. Excuse me. Then it also help in coping with the rapid changes, like uh, how technology get change day by day. Then the environment help the firms to identify that changes and to cope up with that rapid change. Then also business environment help in assisting in planning and policy formulation, means like how cultural changes, how government policies have bearing. So these changes need to be incorporated in the planning and policies formulation, and it helps the firms to establish that. Then it help in improving the performance, it help in improving the performance, like the firm, because the firms get able to analyze their strength, weakness, opportunities, and whatever the threats available to them. The firm work accordingly. So these are the importance of business environment. Hope the points are clear to you all. In the next lecture series, we will be discussing about the various external environment, means like how the political or government environment impact the business, how socio-economic, technological, or cultural environment impact have a bearing on the business environment. So that's all for the today's lecture.